Are you tired of checking stock prices every hour? If you think building wealth requires becoming a full-time trader, you are wrong. This video is for the lazy investor, the person who wants maximum returns with zero effort. I'm going to show you how to build a powerful, globally diversified portfolio that you can literally set and forget, all in just 3 simple steps. This strategy, favored by some of the world's most successful investors, focuses on broad market funds, not risky stock picking, which means it works perfectly whether you are 17 and just starting out or 50 and planning for retirement. The 3 steps involve choosing your domestic stock base, adding essential international exposure, and then deciding on your safety net. That's it. Once the portfolio is set, you walk away and let the magic of compounding do the heavy lifting for the next decade. Stop stressing over every market fluctuation. It's time to simplify your financial life and let your money grow in the background. If you want the exact names of the low-cost funds and more simple investment plans, hit that follow button now.